Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Craig, aka the Saxon Forager, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I've just received a package with my latest cookbook, which is called Eat Like a Halfling, a guide to an indulgent pantry. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. We can take a look together, see what you guys think. Let's go. Okay, that's the back. There's the front. So this is the hardback edition, with the cover there designed by Patrick Robinson of The Fog on the Barrow Downs, and the photograph was taken by Andrew Chorley, which looks excellent. Pleased with how that has come out. I think that looks amazing. There's Matthew Martin there. Mince pies with real meat. That's a good one coming up with Christmas on the way. There's Patrick Robinson, who I mentioned did the cover artwork for me. That's another good seasonal one. I've just picked the pumpkins from the garden. There you have it. Also by the same author, Eat Like a Viking Volume 1 and 2. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like the look of my new book. You can get it on Amazon at the moment. And I'll see you next time. Bye.